Introduction to Economics. Learning outcomes. At the end of this chapter, the student should be able to define economics and distinguish between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Describe basic concepts such as scarcity, choices, and opportunity costs. Explain basic economic problems. What is economics? The typical first-year student walks into first class with very little idea on what economics is. You might have heard that economics is the study of money, or economics is another word of global problems, or it is related to the economic growth, or economics is hard, don't take that class. But none of those are true. Economics. It is the study of human efforts to satisfy unlimited wants with limited resources. And that is the basic definition of economics. Basically, there are people who have limited money to buy their unlimited needs and wants. So, economics study how people use limited resources to make choices to satisfy their unlimited wants. Economics can be divided into two categories: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics deals with smaller issues. On the other hand, macroeconomics deals with larger issues. Microeconomics, for example, consumer behavior, price of goods, producer behavior. Macroeconomics, for example, population, unemployment, economic growth. Now we go to basic economic concepts. First, scarcity. What is scarcity? Before we look at the definition of scarcity, we need to identify the four types of resources, such as labor, land, capital, and entrepreneur. Since human unlimited wants exist, these resources or factors of production are limited or scarcity happens. Second, choice. When there is scarcity, choices have to be made. Individuals, firms, and government make decisions to choose from many alternatives. Third, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is defined as the second best alternative that has to be foregone for another choice which gives more satisfaction. For example, Dewi has 10 ringgit in hands. She has to choose either to have KFC or Mary Brown for lunch. Due to scarcity, Dewi made her choice by choosing KFC than Mary Brown. Thus, the opportunity cost of having KFC for lunch is eating at Mary Brown. Basic economic problems. What and how much to produce? How to produce? For whom to produce? What and how much to produce are based on the type and quantity of products and services. For capitalist economy, the problem of what and how much to produce are solved through the price mechanism. Socialist economy solves this problem by the central planning authority. And lastly, mixed economy solves the problem by combining central planning with a modified price mechanism. Next, how to produce refers to the cheapest method of production. The company may choose labor-intensive or capital-intensive to minimize the cost of production. For whom to produce, it depends on the distribution of income. Goods and services are produced based on the demand from those who are from the higher income group or lower income group. We have reached the end of chapter 1. I hope that you enjoy yourself learning economics in this class. See you again next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Created using Powtoon.